Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the new product from Turtle Wax, the Hybrid Solutions Pure Bead. Right on the front of the bottle, a nice red dot stands out. It says 100 wash guarantee, 100 plus wash. We are not checking the durability of this product in this video. We are just going to be looking at how does this product perform, how is it to apply, do we get any gloss out of it? Do we get any water beading? It's pure bead, so we should be getting a tremendous amount of beading. That's what I'm going to expect from it because that is the name on here. A lot of their Hybrid Solutions products have been very user-friendly in application, so hopefully this one falls suit with all of their other products in their Hybrid Solutions lineup with being very easy to use and delivering great results. I also want to say with this product, Turtle Wax did not, you heard me right, did not send me this product. I bought this product with my own money. Saw they had a new one out. I wanted to try it. Yes, sure. I was hopeful they'd send it to me. They did not. I bought this, wanted to review it for you guys. So this video is not sponsored in any shape, form, or way. This is 100% me, first time use, using this product, showing you guys, does it deliver results? What do we get? What do we not get? So, just wanted to disclose that real quick. This video is not sponsored. They did not send me this product. So, we are doing a full-on review. That way no one can say they sent it to you and of course you're going to say it's good because they definitely did not. We'll go over a few things, what they have to say on here. Before we do that, I'm going to show the pickup that we are working on. It's a little Ford Ranger. I did use a high pH soap on it to wash it to kind of strip any contaminants off of the surface. I did not clay bar it. I have not done a paint polish or a paint correction. So the surface isn't 100% decontaminated. Out of any products like this that you're going to use, you're going to make sure your painted surface is fully decontaminated, allowing a product like this to adhere to your painted surface for longevity. So if you're looking for that 100 plus wash guarantee, you're going to want a surface not like what we are using it on in this video. You're going to want a nice clean surface that is decontaminated. But I just want to show how does this product work on a surface like this, because a lot of us are going to go to Walmart, go to a parts store, you're going to see this product sitting on the shelf. It's coming in at a great price point. You're going to grab it, take it home, and are you really going to want to go through all the steps of clay barring, polishing, and all of that? I'm going to say no. General population, not really. You're going to pick this product up, you're going to want to go home, you're going to want to use it, you're going to wash your vehicle, and that is going to be the extent of it. So basically, that's what we're doing in this video. Let's see how this product works basically on a painted surface. That is going to be majority of everyone's painted surfaces that they're going to be applying this on. I will do a video in the future because I would love to take my test panel, prep it like it needs to be, apply this, maybe apply another product. If there's a product you guys would like to see go head to head with this, apply that to it as well and do a little bit of a torture test and maybe do 100 washes. That's pretty insane. But if that is what you guys would like to see, throw it in the comments down below because I would love to make a video showing that. Who knows? Maybe we'll do it, especially if you guys recommend it. But a few things that they have to say about it just on the front of the bottle real quick. It is a simple streak-free application. Repellency makes cleaning easy, works in auto, home, marine, and more. And right there on the front, there's that new technology 100 plus wash guarantee. On the back for directions of this product, it is very short and sweet and what they have to say about it as well. Hybrid Solutions Pure Bead delivers superior water repellency and self-cleaning performance, producing visible and repeatable results with every application. New advanced protection forms a light molecular bond that boasts durability and long-lasting defense against UV and environmental contaminants. Engineered for multi-surface use on any exterior vehicle gloss or matte finish, glass, plastics, metal, and trim. Pure Bead extends surface life without requiring any specialized tools or training. The directions for use: wash vehicle, towel dry. Shake product well. Use 2 to 3 sprays per panel. Spread and wipe clean. Use a second microfiber cloth to remove. Fold cloth is needed. For best performance, paint should be free of oxidation and surface contaminants. Note, do not use where slippery surfaces are undesirable. But let's head on out. check this product out, see how it is, how user-friendly it is, what kind of gloss do we have before and after using this product, and then also, what kind of water beading do we get with it? Nowhere on here does it mention that there is any kind of a cure time, so we'll hit it with water after I apply this over the whole vehicle, and we'll see how it does. So let's head on out and check it out. So as I mentioned, I haven't done anything with the paint. We'll come in, we'll get a few gloss readings, we'll see what is it at, because like I said, are a lot of people going to have a chance to get their paint perfect, or is this just going to be a product that you just want to use? So we got 68.5, 68.2, 74, 73.9, so let's just say 74, 76 there. So there is some water spotting and light scratches, a little bit of oxidation, so the values are going to change a little bit, but there is just a few gloss readings, and we will get this product applied and see if it boosts those numbers. So, make sure the product is shaken up. We have 2 microfiber towels here, one to spread the product out, one to buff it off. We've got it shaken up. They say 2 to 3 sprays per panel. We'll probably do 2 because I'm just going to do half the hood here, and then we'll move to the fender as well. So go ahead and get this primed up. There we go. So we got 1, 2. Coming with our microfiber just to spread the product out onto the surface. It's spreading out very easily. Seeing a little bit of like a haze. Not a whole lot, but that's all you gotta do to spread it out. Come with your second microfiber and go ahead and knock any of that remaining residue off. The surface has slickened up quite substantially, to be honest, especially for the condition that this paint is in. But that application is very easy. I'm not seeing any streaking or anything like that, so as they mentioned, this product is supposed to be very easy to use. Feeling it compared to the fender, it does feel different. It feels kind of silky, kind of buttery. Compared to the fender, it feels kind of grabby. So that is the application on the hood. Very quick, very easy and effective. We'll do the fender, and I'll also do the bedside because it's in the sun. We'll see how it does in direct sunlight. So let's move down to the fender. The same thing on the fender. 1, 2. Just a quick little spritz right there. And we'll come in, spread the product out. And you can use this on all surfaces, glass, plastic, paint, trim, whatever you're doing. And the smell of this product smells really good. It's kind of just a sweet smell, kind of like a candy. But it goes on very easily, spreads out very nice. Looks good. Take our second microfiber, come in and just knock any residual residue or anything down. I feel it is making it a bit glossier. It looks really nice. That surface gets super slick. I'm not sure if the camera picked it up. There was a scuff through here. It did lighten that scuff up a little bit. Of course, the only way to get that out is going to be coming in to polish the paint, do a paint correction, figuring out what you need to do to get rid of that. But yeah, it goes on very easy, very nice, not hard to do. Let's move to a panel that's in the sun and not in the shade though. So here's the bedside that's in the sun. Do 1, 2, 3. This stuff smells amazing. Let's come in. Go ahead and get it spread out across the surface. You can definitely feel it. I'm trying to get a little bit of a harder line back here so we can see if there's any kind of jetting or if we can tell any difference. Just work the product in. Take your second microfiber. Same thing, just knock it down. So that surface gets very slick. You can feel the difference between the two. I wish you guys could feel it, but can't do that on camera. There's really not, maybe you can see the gloss pick up a little bit right there. Yeah, I feel like you can. There's not any like super hard jetting effect or look on the paint, but once again, this paint is definitely rough. But I want to see, how is this product to use? As I mentioned, you're going to buy this product, or you're going to go to the full steps of doing a paint correction, paint polish, decontaminating. Well, you should decontaminate because it will help this product last longer, but not everyone's going to do that. So let's just try it on some paint. Like, a lot of people are going to use this product. You're going to wash your vehicle, you're going to spray it on just like I'm doing. So that way we can see what kind of results we get. I can make a video in the future if that's something that you guys want to see. Definitely drop it in the comments down below. If you want to see this product on a surface, torture tested, any of that, I think I really want to do that, so we will see. But this panel looks very nice. It is slick. Do feel it has more shine, but the gloss meter will tell. I'm gonna go ahead, get this whole thing knocked out, do all of it, and bring you guys in, show you. We'll get some gloss readings. We'll see how this thing looks overall. So this side, super easy. I'll bring you in closer just so you can see it. But one thing I did notice, and I want to mention, is when I was doing the plastic on the mirror over here, it deepened the black plastic up. So I'm gonna go over to the driver's side, show you guys how this stuff is on plastic. Super easy to use. It was amazing using on the paint. Quick, easy, effortless. I do feel that it is glossier. It looks really nice. And I will show you using it on the glass as well, because it is definitely 100% streak free and the glass comes out really nice. So I'll bring you around to the driver's side, show it to you on the glass and on the black plastic mirror, and I will show you how great this stuff works on that. So here's the mirror. I hit just a quick little spritz on it. So on the plastic mirror, the top didn't really get any product. So right there, quick and easy to apply. Coming with our second microfiber. And you can see there is a nice 50-50 here. Hopefully the camera is picking it up. You can zoom in a bit more on it. I'll actually take you guys off the tripod so you can see, but there is a 50-50. You can tell it has deepened that plastic up and it looks really nice. So it's very easy to use in the plastic. I will show you on the glass. That is also very easy. So I'm just going to do the door frame and the glass. So we'll just do 1, 2, and that'll be enough product to get spread out over everything. Using it on this black plastic trim underneath the window here. You can use it on headlights, tail lights, plastic, rubber, paint, glass, every surface. Come with the second microfiber and just knock it down, and that glass has turned out perfect. There's not any streaks. The clarity is very crystal clear. So this product is very, very easy to use. I'll get this side of the pickup knocked out and I'll bring you guys in for an overview of the whole thing so you can see how it looks. So coming in for some gloss readings, let's see where this is landing at, if it has made it any glossier. So right there we have 80. 81, so it has definitely bumped the gloss numbers up. 76, who knows what's on the paint right there. 78. 73, but it's not sitting flat. We can come around. Yep, still 73, so there is water spots and stuff on the paint. Maybe it's picking one of those up because there's 75 right next to it. But it has definitely bumped up the gloss numbers, and it is also a heck of a lot slicker than it was, as you can see. So let's check out the Hydrophobics. They don't mention a cure time. We'll spray some water on the hood and the fender and see what are the hydrophobics of this product like after applying it. So I would love to see this product on a painted surface that has been thoroughly decontaminated. I did use a strip wash, but thoroughly decontaminated with a nice little polish on it to get out the swirls and the scratches. But for not doing that, this thing has turned out absolutely amazing. I love the results that we've got on it and just how easy this product was to use. So we'll check the hydrophobics out on the hood first. And as you can see, this panel was absolutely flat before, and now the water is not sticking to it one bit. Nice beading. Checking out the fender. Coming at a different angle. And right there, that is pure bead from Turtle Wax, and it is doing exactly what they mention. We have nice, tight, uniform beads on the hood here, as you can see. The water is still just running off the hood in some spots, but this stuff is working absolutely awesome. I am very impressed. I'm curious about the 100 wash. Maybe we'll have to make a video about the 100 wash to see, does it live up to it? Can it withstand it? But so far, just right here, this quick, easy application and seeing how great this product is working, I have zero complaints and I am very impressed with it. All right, so there you guys go. The Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pure Bead, there is exactly how it performs. This product smells amazing, very effortless to use. Turtle Wax has done a phenomenal job of creating another amazing product that is super user-friendly, does boost gloss numbers, does also do, as they say, pure bead. It has tremendous hydrophobics and water beading. Overall, for the price of this, I think that this product is 100% worth it just because it is so easy to use, delivering amazing results. I absolutely love it. It's going to get 2 thumbs up from me. As I mentioned in the beginning, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. Turtle Wax did not send me this product. I bought this product myself because I wanted to bring a review to you guys. I know that this product has been sent out to some people, but it was not sent out to me. So there you go. You can't say, oh, Turtle Wax is sending you stuff and you're just saying it's good. Nope. Bought this with my own personal money and I absolutely love it. Great product. Super easy to use. I can't say enough great things about it. I love seeing the gloss numbers jump up on the gloss meter. I do firmly believe if that surface was free of any kind of oxidation, decontamination, clay barred polish, you would see higher numbers in the gloss on it as well. So those are some things that I would like to do in a future video on the test panel, prepping a surface so we can see exactly what are those gloss numbers getting boosted to using this product, and also how tough is this product. But overall, absolutely love it. Definite 2 thumbs up product. Turtle Wax, you did amazing with this product again, and I absolutely love it. But I want to thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day, stopping and checking out this video. Hopefully this video was helpful and informative for you. Remember, smash that thumbs up if you like this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Drop a comment down in the comment section down below what you think about this product, if you've used it, if you haven't used it, and if you would like to see any future videos with it. But I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.